But the options are to take a variable rate. Now, sometimes you might want to take a variable rate if you're not quite sure what you're going to do with the property in the long term.
Okay.
A variable rate might be a deal where there are no penalties should you change your mind and or sell the property, etc. And I mean, in essence, a variable rate, as the name suggests, is one which the rate can go up and the rate can come down.
Yeah.
Interest rates are very low historically, where we are at the moment. There's an expectation that interest rates may rise over time. Probably a greater expectation of interest rate rises than it falling. So there is a bit of a finger in the air job with a variable rate. Where will they end up?
Yeah.
Contrast that to a fixed rate, where for an initial period of time, be that 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, sometimes even longer, you can actually agree what the interest rate is going to be on day one, and it stays fixed until the end of that initial term. That gives you certainty. So it doesn't matter what's happening. I mean, Brexit is on the go as we speak at this moment in time. What Brexit we're going to get, we don't know. What impact that will have on interest rates, we don't know. So a lot of clients over the last year, 2 years, and still now are thinking, because of that uncertainty, I'm going to take a fixed rate, which is a great thing to do. 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. There's a couple of reasons why landlords might need to think about a 5-year. One is what I've just talked about, the certainty of having your interest rate fixed for 5 years. Be a little bit higher than the 2-year or a 3-year deal. But the other major consideration is that when a lender comes to assess how much they can lend you, if you have taken the option of a 5-year fixed rate, they might actually be able to lend you a little bit more, just because things are that bit more certain.
Okay.
And it all comes down to that complicated equation between what your rent is and what the interest is going to be.